Question 1. The pollen grain represents the A. Male gamete, B. Female gamete, C. Male gametophyte, D. Female gametophyte. The correct answer is C. Male gametophyte. Question 2. Double fertilization is a characteristic feature of A. Algae, B. Bryophytes, C. Gymnosperms, D. Angiosperms. The correct answer is D. Angiosperms. Question 3. The edible part of coconut is A. Endosperm, B. Perisperm, C. Cotyledon, D. Nucellus. The correct answer is A. Endosperm. Question 4. Which hormone is responsible for apical dominance in plants? A. Cytokinin, B. Gibberellin, C. Auxin, D. Ethylene. The correct answer is C. Auxin. Question 5. Transpiration occurs mainly through A. Lenticels, B. Cuticle, C. Stomata, D. Root hairs. The correct answer is C. Stomata. Question 6. The opening and closing of stomata is regulated by A. Epidermal cells, B. Guard cells, C. Subsidiary cells, D. Mesophyll cells. The correct answer is B. Guard cells. Question 7. The respiratory quotient RQ for carbohydrates is A. 0.7, B. 1.0, C. 1.5, D. 0.9. The correct answer is B. 1.0. Question 8. Which enzyme catalyzes the fixation of CoA in sea plants? A. Pep-carboxylase, B. Rubisco, C. Carbonic anhydrase, D. Malic enzyme. The correct answer is B. Rubisco. Question 9. Photorespiration occurs in A. Chloroplast only, B. Mitochondria only, C. Peroxisome only, D. A chloroplast, peroxisome and mitochondria. The correct answer is D. A chloroplast, peroxisome and mitochondria. Question 10. The functional unit of kidney is A. Neuron, B. Nephron, C. Glomerulus, D. Ureter. The correct answer is B. Nephron. Question 11. The normal pH of human blood is approximately A. 6.8, B. 7.0, C. 7.4, D. 8.0. The correct answer is C. 7.4. Question 12. Which blood cells are involved in blood clotting? A. RBCs, B. WBCs, C. Platelets, D. Lymphocytes. The correct answer is C. Platelets. Question 13. The pacemaker of human heart is A. AV node, B. SA node, C. Purkinje fibers, D. Bundle of His. The correct answer is B. SA node. Question 14. Which part of brain controls balance and posture? A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla, D. Pons. The correct answer is B. Cerebellum. Question 15. Insulin deficiency leads to A. Hypoglycemia, B. Diabetes mellitus, C. Goiter, D. Addison's disease. The correct answer is B. Diabetes mellitus. Question 16. The structural and functional unit of muscle is A. Myosin, B. Actin, C. Sarcomere, D. Myofibril. The correct answer is C. Sarcomere. Question 17. Which hormone regulates basal metabolic rate? A. Insulin, B. Adrenaline, C. Thyroxine, D. Glucagon. The correct answer is C. Thyroxine. Question 18. The primary immune response is mediated mainly by A. IgA, B. IgE, C. IgM, D. IgG. The correct answer is C. IgM. Question 19. Which cell type destroys virus-infected cells? A. B lymphocytes, B. Helper T cells, C. Cytotoxic T cells, D. Plasma cells. The correct answer is C. Cytotoxic T cells. Question 20. The causative agent of AIDS is A. Bacterium, B. Protozoan, C. Virus, D. Fungus. The correct answer is C. Virus. Question 21. Which disease is caused by Plasmodium? A. Typhoid, B. Malaria, C. Dengue, D. Cholera. The correct answer is B. Malaria. Question 22. Restriction enzymes are also known as A. Ligases, B. Polymerase, C. Molecular scissors, D. Vectors. The correct answer is C. Molecular scissors. Question 23. Which vector is commonly used in genetic engineering? A. Virus, B. Plasmid, C. Chromosome, D. Ribosome. The correct answer is B. Plasmid. Question 24. PCR stands for A. Protein chain reaction, B. Polymerase chain reaction, C. Primary chain reaction, D. Polynucleotide copy reaction. The correct answer is B. Polymerase chain reaction. Question 25. Bt cotton is resistant to A. Fungal diseases. B. Bacterial diseases. C. Insect pests. D. Viruses. The correct answer is C. Insect pests. Question 26. The process of formation of gametes is called A. Fertilization. B. Gametogenesis. C. Embryogenesis. D. Spermiogenesis. The correct answer is B. Gametogenesis. Question 27. The chromosome number is reduced to half during A. Mitosis. B. Meiosis I. C. Meiosis II. D. Fertilization. The correct answer is B. Meiosis I. Question 28. Crossing over occurs during A. Leptotene. B. Zygotene. C. Pachytene. D. Diplotene. The correct answer is C. Pachytene. Question 29. The genetic material in most viruses is A. DNA only. B. RNA only. C. Protein. D. DNA or RNA. The correct answer is D. DNA or RNA. Question 30. Which scientist proposed the double helix model of DNA? A. Watson and Crick. B. Mendel. C. Darwin. D. Hershey and Chase. The correct answer is A. Watson and Crick. Question 31. The process of copying genetic information from DNA to RNA is called A. Translation. B. Transcription. C. Replication. D. Mutation. The correct answer is B. Transcription. Question 32. Codons are present on A. tRNA. B. rRNA. C. mRNA. D. DNA. The correct answer is C. mRNA. Question 33. The start codon for protein synthesis is A. UA. B. UAG. C. UGA. D. AUG. The correct answer is D. AUG. Question 34. Which law states that alleles segregate during gamete formation? A. Law of dominance. B. Law of independent assortment. C. Law of segregation. D. Law of variation. The correct answer is C. Law of segregation. Question 35. A cross between two heterozygous individuals produces phenotypic ratio A. 1:1. B. 3:1. C. 9:3. A. 3:1. D. 1:2:1. The correct answer is B. 3:1. Question 36. Which type of selection favors average individuals? A. Directional. B. Stabilizing. C. Disruptive. D. Artificial. The correct answer is B. Stabilizing. Question 37. Homologous organs indicate A. Convergent evolution. B. Parallel evolution. C. Divergent evolution. D. Adaptive radiation only. The correct answer is C. Divergent evolution. Question 38. The study of fossils is called A. Taxonomy. B. Paleontology. C. Ecology. D. Morphology. The correct answer is B. Paleontology. Question 39. Which level of biodiversity includes species diversity? A. Genetic. B. Ecosystem. C. Community. D. Species. The correct answer is D. Species. Question 40. Hotspots of biodiversity are regions with A. High rainfall. B. High endemism and threat. C. High temperature. D. Low species richness. The correct answer is B. High endemism and threat. Question 41. Which gas is mainly responsible for global warming? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Question 42. Biological magnification refers to A. Increase in biomass. B. Increase in population. C. Increase in concentration of pollutants. D. Increase in productivity. The correct answer is C. Increase in concentration of pollutants. Question 43. Which is a pioneer species in ecological succession? A. Grass. B. Shrubs. C. Trees. D. Lichens. The correct answer is D. Lichens. Question 44. The age pyramid with broad base indicates A. Declining population. B. Stable population. C. Expanding population. D. Zero growth. The correct answer is C. Expanding population. Question 45. Which organism is used as biofertilizer? A. Rhizobium. B. Plasmodium. C. Amoeba. D. Paramecium. The correct answer is A. Rhizobium. Question 46. Sewage treatment involves A. Primary treatment only. B. Secondary treatment only. C. Both primary and secondary treatment. D. Chemical treatment only. The correct answer is C. Both primary and secondary treatment. Question 47. Which hormone is secreted by adrenal medulla? A. Cortisol. B. Aldosterone. C. Adrenaline. D. Thyroxine. The correct answer is C. Adrenaline. Question 48. The placenta acts as A. Excretory organ only. B. Endocrine gland only. C. Respiratory organ only. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Question 49. The disease caused due to deficiency of vitamin D is A. Scurvy, B. Rickets, C. Beriberi, D. Pellagra. The correct answer is B. Rickets. Question 50. Which structure prevents backflow of blood in veins? A. Septum, B. Valves, C. Caudae tendineae, D. Trabeculae. The correct answer is B. Valves. Question 51. The exchange of gases in human lungs occurs in A. Bronchi, B. Bronchioles, C. Alveoli, D. Trachea. The correct answer is C. Alveoli. Question 52. Which nitrogenous waste is excreted by humans? A. Ammonia, B. Urea, C. Uric acid, D. Guanine. The correct answer is B. Urea. Question 53. The major site of photosynthesis in plants is A. Stem, B. Root, C. Leaf, D. Flower. The correct answer is C. Leaf.